Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the new chapter, that is simple equations, and in this chapter we will be dealing with just 4 or 5 points on simple equations. Today we will be discussing about the first 2 points, that is what is a linear equation and how to convert a general statement into a mathematical equation, and what are the properties that has to be fulfilled to tell one mathematical statement as a simple equation or as a linear equation. Now let's see. Now see, in the previous classes we have come across mathematical statements like this, say 2 plus 3. Then we have come across statements like this, 8 inside bracket 3 plus 5. Then we have also come across 2 plus 3 plus 5 like this. So these are called as mathematical expression. Now this expression contains only numbers and the mathematical operators, plus, it can be minus, it can be multiplication, it can be division also. Now you must have seen it is like this, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and here we are writing, see, 8 into 3 plus 8 into 5, and this statement becomes, I can write it as 2 plus 3 plus 5 also. This we have learned properties of whole numbers, properties of integers, in that we have seen. So this is called as the distributive property, this is called as the associative property. Now when I am writing the mathematical expression using an equal to sign, this is called as the statement of equality or simply equality. Why? Because I am not calling this as a simple equation, because I am not using any variable. So this is simply an equality, or it is called a statement of equality. Why? Because variables are not there. Now if I write like this, say 2 plus x, if I write it like this, 2 plus x equal to 5. Now I am using a letter of English here, that is a small letter. This is called as the variable, as you may be knowing only. Now this becomes a simple equation. Why this is called a simple equation? Because I am using a variable here. Now this is what is simple equation, difference between statement of equality and a simple equation. When a statement of equality has got a variable, then we call it as a equation. So, and what is an equation? An equation is a statement of equality having left hand side and right hand side. It is, in some books it is also defined as, it is a condition on this particular variable which makes this statement true. That means the solution. It is a condition on this variable which makes this statement true. Alright, now there is a very important point to remember here, that is 2 plus x can also be written as, this statement can also be written as 5 equals to x plus 2. Alright, or say 4 by 5 x plus 2 is equal to, say, some number, say 10. So this can be written as 10 equals to 4 by 5x plus 2. This is, meaning is same. Alright, it can be written like this also, it can be written like this also. This is the first point. Second point is, if I write this statement as 5 is more than x plus 2, or say 5 is less than x plus 2, so these are not simple equations. Understood the difference? If it is a simple equation, it must have a equal to sign. It must have a equal to sign for this to be called as a simple equation. Now see, this also is a simple equation. This is in a very simple form. X equals to 3 is also a simple equation. Alright, because I am using a variable here and this statement contains a equal to sign. Now, next point is we are going to discuss how we convert a general statement in English to a mathematical statement. This we have done in class 6 also in the algebra chapter. Alright, now suppose there is a statement like this: 4 added to 6 gives 10. Then 6 subtracted from a number x is 15. This type of statements you have done already in class 6. So first what it will be, 4 added to 6 gives 10. So here there is no use of variable. So 4 plus 6 equals to 10. Now this is just a statement of equality. This is not simple equation. Alright. Now in this case 6 subtracted from a number x equal to 15. So what it will be, 6 subtracted from a number x. So x minus 6 equal to 15. So this becomes the same thing. This is in mathematical form, this is in a general statement. So this is called as a simple equation. Why? Because there is a equal to sign and there is LHS and RHS, and we are using a variable here in this statement. Alright, now suppose next, the sum of a number y and 5 is 10, suppose. So what it will be? Simple statement we have taken. So it will be the sum of a number y and 5. So it is y plus 5 equals to 10. So this is a simple equation. Alright, this is the conversion of a general statement to a simple equation. We can do it vice versa also. Alright, we can do the vice versa operation also. So suppose there is a statement like this: p divided by say 5 is equal to 2. So this is a simple equation. This is division, p by 5, or I can write it like this also. See, p by 5 equal to 2. So this is going to be a small letter. Always remember, a variable is always a small letter. So it can be written like this also: p by 5 equals to 2. So how we are going to convert it into general statement? P divided by 5 is 2, or this can also be written as 1/5 of p is 2. So p divided by 5, p divided by 5 means it is actually p by 5, which is equal to 1 by 5 into p. Understood? So this first is we are converting a general statement to a mathematical statement. Second part is a mathematical statement, we are converting it into general statement. So we will stop here. I'll be giving you some homework. So let's summarize this. Now, what are simple equations? Simple equations are mathematical statements. First is it must have an equal to sign, and second is it must have a variable. A variable can be any small letter of the English alphabet. Alright, now if a statement, a mathematical statement, doesn't have a variable, it is not called as a equation. It is just called as a statement of equality. Now second most important point is, suppose 4 plus 6 equals to 10, I can write it as 10 equals to 4 plus 6 also, meaning is same. All right, so I can interchange the sides. LHS becomes RHS, RHS becomes LHS, that is allowed. Then the third most important point is a simple equation must have a equal to sign in this. If it contains a less than sign or more than sign or not equal to any other mathematical operator, it will not be considered as a equation. Now this you have, I think you have understood this. So your homework will be based on this conversion of general statement to a mathematical equation or a mathematical equation to a general statement, and you may be asked to find out which are the equations which are not the equation based on the symbols that is used, the equal to sign. All right, so you do the homework and you send it to me. If you have any doubt, you can call me up. Thank you.